Hello, and welcome back to our series on The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias. This is Part 4, the final chapter of our journey together. If you've been following the series from the start, you now understand how to build the right money mindset, how to budget and save effectively, and how to start investing wisely. Now, in this last episode, we're going to connect all the dots. We'll talk about how to build lasting wealth, how to protect what you earn, and how to achieve financial independence. That point in life when you no longer have to trade your time for money. So grab your notebook, because this is where everything comes together. 1. What financial independence really means. Financial independence doesn't mean you have to be a millionaire. It simply means having enough savings, investments, and income streams to cover your living expenses without relying on a job or paycheck. Andrew Tobias reminds us, the true wealth isn't about money itself. It's about freedom of choice. The ability to wake up every day and decide what to do with your time. So the big question is, how do we build that independence step by step? 2. Creating multiple streams of income. One of the best strategies is diversification, not only in your investments, but also in your income. Relying on a single job can be risky. Instead, aim for multiple streams of income. Your main salary or business, a side hustle you enjoy, dividend-paying stocks or index funds, rental income from real estate if possible, even royalties from creative projects. Each extra stream brings you closer to financial independence because your money works for you even while you sleep. 3. Protecting yourself. Insurance and safety nets. We've talked about saving, investing, and growing wealth, but what about protecting it? Andrew Tobias insists, insurance is not optional. It's your financial shield. Health insurance protects against medical emergencies. Life insurance protects your family if something happens to you. Home or renter's insurance protects your belongings. Think of insurance as a safety net. It doesn't grow your wealth, but it prevents a single accident from destroying years of progress. 4. Smart tax strategies. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses in life. But the good news is, they can be managed legally with good planning. Some key strategies include taking advantage of retirement accounts and tax shelters, investing in tax-efficient funds, holding investments long-term to benefit from lower capital gains taxes. The less you lose to taxes, the faster your wealth compounds. 5. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest traps people fall into is lifestyle inflation. As income grows, expenses grow with it. Bigger houses, fancier cars, endless upgrades. The problem? Financial independence keeps moving further away. Andrew Tobias suggests a golden rule. Live below your means, even when your means increase. That doesn't mean you shouldn't enjoy your money. It means you should always save and invest more as your income grows, instead of spending it all. 6. The magic of compounding. Final reminder. Let's return to the most powerful concept in investing: compound interest. Even small amounts invested consistently over time turn into big numbers. $10 a day invested in a simple index fund could grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars over a few decades. The earlier you start, the bigger the snowball effect. That's why the best time to invest was yesterday, and the second best time is today. 7. Building your financial roadmap. Now that we've covered everything, let's put it into a simple roadmap you can follow. Build your emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Protect yourself with insurance. Start investing in index funds and diversified assets. Add income streams. Keep learning and adjusting. Stay consistent and avoid lifestyle inflation. If you follow this roadmap, financial independence won't just be a dream, it will become a reality. 8. Final words from Andrew Tobias. Andrew Tobias reminds us, wealth is not about being flashy. It's about being secure, free, and in control. Money is simply a tool. Use it wisely, and it gives you options. Use it poorly, and it controls you. The best investors aren't the smartest or the luckiest. They're the most consistent. They save, they invest, they protect, and they stay patient. And that brings us to the end of this 4-part series on the only investment guide you'll ever need. If you've been with us since the beginning, congratulations! You've just absorbed one of the most practical and timeless lessons in personal finance. If you found this series helpful, make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and check out our other videos on smart investing and financial growth. Remember, financial independence is not about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and patience. Start today, stay consistent, and one day soon, you'll wake up free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next series.